Here are the 5 best baby bouncers, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But the easy mistake is buying the cute seat, then tripping over it in the living room while laundry piles up. The real decision is baby size, folding, cleanup, and how long you'll actually use it. Start with the baby size window, then ask where it stores, how the fabric cleans, and whether the lifespan justifies the spend. Let's move. Number 5. Ingenuity SmartBounce Automatic Bouncer. Want motion and interactive bits because a plain seat feels too basic? I'd only consider this if that automatic style experience is the whole reason you're shopping. Its usable window is early and short, listed for 0 to 6 months with a 20 pounds maximum, so this isn't a grow with the house purchase. The bright spot is cleaning, because that's the part that matters after spit up, snacks, and daily fabric reality. But the trade-off is the daily gear headache. Foldability is very weak, and the build and comfort story trails the better picks. Skip it if your living room needs gear that disappears fast. Also skip it if assembly frustration would make you resent it by week 1. Number 4. Baby Delight Alpine Deluxe. As the budget-friendly pick, it fits parents who want a lower-cost bouncer for early baby use. The listed range is 0 to 6 months, with a 20 pounds maximum. Choose it when foldability matters, because this one keeps the strong folding advantage from the shortlist. That helps if the seat needs to move beside a couch or into a closet. The trade-off is the lower-scoring feel around assembly, quality, and comfort. It is less about premium polish and more about basic function at a smaller spend. Skip it if easier setup or a more comfortable feeling seat matters most. Number 3. Maxi-Cosi 2-in-1 Kori Rocker. If you want a rocker feel instead of a traditional bouncer feel, this is the cleanest detour. I'd pick it for grandparents' houses, smaller rooms, or anyone who moves baby gear around a lot. The useful boundary is straightforward. It's listed with a 20 pounds maximum, so think early-stage rocker rather than long-run toddler furniture. Its proof point is the travel-friendly fold, which matters when a seat needs to leave the nursery without becoming a project. The trade-off is lifespan. You don't get the toddler chair path that the next 2 picks bring. Skip it if you're trying to buy one seat that stays useful well past the baby bouncer stage. Number 2. Ergobaby 3-in-1 Evolve Bouncer. This is the premium pick for families prioritizing quality and comfort over the easiest cleanup. It suits buyers who want a higher-end seat with excellent foldability and a more polished feel. The bouncer range starts at 5 pounds 8 ounces, then reaches 20 pounds in bouncer mode. It can also serve later as a toddler chair up to 29 pounds. That gives it a longer path than a short-use baby seat. The trade-off is cleaning, where its score trails the other top picks. Skip it if wipe-down speed or laundry simplicity matters more than premium comfort. Number 1. BabyBjorn Bouncer Balance Soft. This is the one I'd buy for most homes, because it nails the boring stuff parents feel every day. I'd choose it if you want a high-scoring, everyday bouncer that folds easily and doesn't feel like a short-lived gadget. The fit is the key. Bouncer use runs from 8 to 20 pounds, then it converts into a toddler chair up to 29 pounds. That turns the purchase from a brief newborn item into something with a real second act. The trade-off is the starting weight. Some babies will fit the Ergobaby range earlier, so this isn't the best pick below 8 pounds. Skip it if lowest cost matters more than overall balance. For me, balance wins. Here's the quick match. Pick BabyBjorn for the best everyday balance. Pick Ergobaby for premium feel and the lower starting range. Pick Maxi-Cosi if you specifically want a foldable rocker. Pick Baby Delight for budget-first folding. I'd treat Ingenuity as the automatic curiosity, not the default. Before buying, check your baby's current weight, where the seat will live, and how often you'll wash the fabric. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. And don't buy extra lifespan you won't actually use. My pick is BabyBjorn for most parents. Go Ergobaby for premium build, Maxi-Cosi for rocker fans, and Baby Delight for budget control. Skip Ingenuity unless automatic features are the point. Links are in the description.